Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Interest.
What does the dictionary say?
Money paid regularly at a particular rate for the use of money lent, or for delaying the repayment of a debt.
Math rap.
Calculate the interest rate to see how much money on savings you can make, or the extra money that's yet to be paid on a loan, mortgage, or debt.
Math rap.
How do mortgage bankers listen to their clients? With interest. Explain interest in your own words. Is it interesting to learn about? If you have $1,000 in a bank savings account that gives you 2% interest every month, how much would you have in the bank at the end of a year? If you have a 5-year loan for $1,000 and you have to pay back 5% in interest every year, how much would you owe at the end of the 5 years? Research. What is the difference between a loan, mortgage, and credit line? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!